Hello guys, para sa with orthogonal effects for ultimate soil pressure, ang take-off point natin would be this set of equations considering without ortho effects. Okay? Ngayon, dito sa earthquake due to x direction, ito ang gagawin nating full 100%, tapos earthquake from y direction, yan ang ating 30%. So, dito, ang PU all over BL would be 100%. Tapos, ang PUEX due to eccentricity X, that is also 100% kasi pag ano ng direction. Ang due to eccentricity Y, yan ang ire-reduce natin ng 30%. Kaya, kukulayan natin ito. And then, moment due to moment at y-axis, 100% yan. And then, ang moment at x-axis, yan ang ire-reduce natin ng 60%. So, in short, etong mga shaded, yan ang imumultiply natin ng by 0.3. So, dito tayo ngayon. Naglagay ako dito ng, ayan. So, eto, that is equal to 0.3, yung nasa taas. Which is 30%. And then, I will just copy that. Tapos, susundan natin would be this equation. So, manggagaling yan dito pa rin sa taas. Take note, ang ito ay, this is without ortho. Tapos, dito sa baba, with ortho. Okay, so I will just move this up. And then, I will copy this. And then, with ortho. Tapos, EQX plus 0.3 EQY. Yan. Okay, so, we will follow this equation again. Pero, itong yellow, ang reduced quantity. No? So, that is equal to PU all over BL. Then, minus 6 PUEX, which is this, followed by plus 6 PUEY, 6 PUEY, which is reduced, kaya yan ang ililink natin. And then, minus 6 MUY, this is 100%, which is ito. And finally, minus 6 MUX na reduce, which is dito sa baba. And you press enter. And then, you just copy this. Paste, paste, paste. Tapos, susundan lang natin yung mga signs na yan. Ganun lang kasimple. In short, lahat yan ay reduced quantity. So, ito, plus, 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 minus. So, ito magiging plus, 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 minus. Tapos, yung third naman, para sa FUC, maging minus, minus, plus. Minus, 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 and then plus. Okay, so minus. Then, itong pinaka-last, magiging plus, minus, plus, plus. So, plus, minus, and then plus, plus. So, that's how I got these values. Okay? Next is, dito naman tayo ngayon sa para dito sa values na yan. Okay, so EQ at Y direction. Pero ang reduce natin ngayon ay EQ at X direction. This time, ang 100% natin would be itong earthquake at Y direction. Yan. Tapos, ang reduced lateral force natin would be earthquake at X. Kaya, ang i-reduce quantity natin ngayon ay yung PU due to EX tsaka PU due to moment at Y axis. O, yan lang. I-move mo lang yan. Next is, gawin natin ngayon yung pinaka-una, FUA. So, this is equal to PU all over BL. So, i-click lang natin ito. And then, minus PUEX. Take note that it is reduced. Kaya, dito sa baba. Okay. Oops. Diyan yan. And then, plus 6 PUEY. Plus 6 PUEY. So, full siya. Followed by minus 6 MUY. Reduced. So, minus 6 MUY dito sa baba. Followed by minus 6 MUX. Full. So, dito sa taas. Ayan. Then, i-press enter. Next is, we will copy this. And then, paste mo lang dyan sa baba. Followed by, we will follow the signs again. Plus, ito naman sa FUB, plus, 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 minus. So, magiging plus, 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 minus. Tapos, yung para sa C, minus, 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 plus. Yan. So, minus, 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 and then plus yung dulo. And then, lastly, plus, minus, plus, plus. So, this is plus, minus, plus, plus. And that's how I got this EQ at Y directions. And then, ang susunod dyan would be sosolvin natin yung Q sub U or yung maximum based on the following three equations. Ito, FU, tapos QU Besabilia, QU QCSI, and then kung yung maximum niyang tatlo, yun yung allowable Q sub U natin.